Heckler Koch G36 is an iconic 5.56 by 45 millimeter NATO assault rifle that has shaped modern infantry warfare since the late 1990s. Designed for adaptability, durability, and accuracy, it quickly became the standard issue rifle of the German Bundeswehr and found its way into military and law enforcement units across the globe. But what makes the G36 stand out? How did it evolve over time? And what does its future look like as new rifles begin to replace it? Let's take a closer look at the mechanics, variants, operational history, and global impact of this legendary firearm. Origins and development. In the early 1990s, the German Bundeswehr sought a modern replacement for the 7.62 millimeter G3 battle rifle. With the Cold War over, the military needed a lighter, more modular weapon chambered in 5.56 by 45 millimeter NATO, aligning with NATO standards. Enter Heckler & Koch, a company with a reputation for precision engineering. Instead of modifying older designs, they developed an entirely new rifle, the G36. With polymer construction, a short-stroke gas piston system, and built-in optics, the G36 was a technological leap forward. It was officially adopted by the Bundeswehr in 1997 and soon found success on the international stage. Mechanical design and features. The G36 operates on a gas-operated rotating bolt system, ensuring consistent performance under diverse conditions. Constructed with a high-strength polymer, the rifle is both durable and lightweight, weighing approximately 3.6 kilograms, 7.9 pounds, with an empty magazine. Its design includes a free-floating barrel, contributing to its accuracy. The rifle's fire selector allows for semi-automatic and fully automatic modes, providing adaptability in various combat situations. Additionally, the G36 features a side-folding stock, reducing its length from 1,000 millimeters to 750 millimeters, enhancing portability without compromising functionality. Variants. The G36 platform has evolved significantly, resulting in multiple specialized variants. G36A1, the original Bundeswehr standard issue rifle. G36A2, an upgraded version with Picatinny rails, better optics, compatibility, and improved ergonomics. G36A3, a heavily modernized version designed for Germany's Infantryman of the Future program, featuring an adjustable stock, reinforced receiver, and enhanced sight options. G36A4, a further refined version with improved heat resistance and more accessory customization options. G36K, K for Kurz, the German word for short, a short-barreled carbine for CQB, close quarters battle, rolls. G36CC for compact, an ultra-compact version often used by special forces and police units. MG36, a squad automatic weapon variant featuring a heavier barrel and high-capacity drum magazines. Operational history. The G36 has been deployed in conflicts worldwide, from Afghanistan and Iraq to counterinsurgency operations in Africa and Eastern Europe. However, it faced controversy during Germany's deployment in Afghanistan. Soldiers reported accuracy issues when the rifle was subjected to prolonged, sustained fire in high temperatures. Investigations confirmed that excessive heat caused the polymer components to expand, affecting precision at longer ranges. This led to Germany initiating the System Sturmgewehr Bundeswehr program to replace the G36. Future outlook. In response to the identified issues, the Bundeswehr initiated the System Sturmgewehr Bundeswehr program to select a new service rifle. After a competitive process, the HK416-A8, designated as the G95A1, was chosen to replace the G36, with fielding expected to start in 2024. Despite this, the G36 remains in service with several countries, and Heckler & Koch continues to offer performance upgrade kits to enhance its capabilities, ensuring its relevance in modern arsenals. In summary, the G36 assault rifle has played a pivotal role in modern military history. Its innovative design and adaptability have solidified its place in various armed forces, and ongoing enhancements suggest it will continue to serve effectively in the years to come.